Hello friend, this is AC compressor flow sensor for Toyota car. Most of time compressor is not working, not engaged. If this sensor is any problem, if you test scan tool and you have no code and the compressor is not working, how you test this sensor value, voltage value? In this video I will show you how to test voltage value in scan tool. Connect the scan tool into the OBD2 and test the value in the scan tool. If the compressor is off, not running, we have must 4.0 to 4.80 volt. If not this same voltage, this sensor is not good. In on position, in the compressor is on position, we have must voltage decrease to 2.802 volt to 3.00 volt. If less than 2 volt in on position, there is some problem in the sensor. In my situation, the AC on position 3.40, 3.30. This is a good shape sensor. If your sensor is bad shape, you have less than 2 volt. If you have less than 2 volt, there is a problem in the sensor. This is standard value. Thank you for watching.